very good. Hi guys, I'm Leren Bloom from We Are Very Good, and today I will try to solve the flickering screen of the Galaxy Note 10, the 2014 version. First of all, let's see if we can see what is the problem here, or if the problem still exists. Yesterday I was doing a movie about flickering videos in export of the hit film for Express, and then later on when I tried to do my lessons on the piano, the tablet started flickering. You can see something. Even it's not starting, you see it's restarting again. So that there should be a problem inside, and generally, as per some previous things I was reading in the internet, seems that this is a ribbon connection. So even you see the flickering, but the flickering and then restart again. Okay, I will switch it off because it seems that it doesn't want to start. Okay, and then I will try to open it. So you see, even the screen is not correctly showing. Colors are wrong and flickering, as you can see. Oh, I forgot to take the SD card. Okay, no good, but this is it. The stylus, I already took it off before. Okay, so this is it. We took off the back cover. And most probably the problem is somewhere here. So I will try to fix back the ribbon, or here, and I will just try to fix back the ribbon. So usually these are the 2 points where these tablets are failing. Okay, and now I will try to start it. Okay, and it's starting. Okay, no battery, but the colors are okay, and I can use. So no more, you see now this black shadows here, and I can use it normally. So the tablet is running perfectly.
Hey, it's Marie Forleo, and you are watching.
Okay, so and then we put it back in the cover in the same way. Yeah, first of all, turn it off. And then put it in its cover. Definitely it is like this. And just press it around. make sure it clicks all around. Yeah. Okay. And again, Galaxy Note, it's working. Thank you for watching. I hope this was of big help for you in solving your problems with either flickering of the screen or shadows on the screen, or sometimes even black screen. Until next time, we are very good. Thank you. Bye. We are very